Hello there! So for today, we are here in Candelaria, Zambales. So for today, we are going to another event. I'll be hosting another event. And this is 4 to 5 hours away from our hometown sa Olongapo. Kaya naman, we decided to stay the night after the event para hindi kami masyadong mapagod sa biyahe. And we found this Lakeview Resort just across dun sa venue na gaganapan ng event. And we are here at
Dawal.
Lakeview
Oras tayo
Resort.
umalis.
Okay, umalis kami ng Olongapo
Six.
around 6 a.m.
6 na sakto. Tapos 10 tayo. Oo nga pa, mga 4 hours yan tayo.
Yeah, so yung biyahe around 4 hours from Olongapo going to Candelaria, Zambales. Medyo nakakapagod. Para kang nag-Manila din. But it's worth it. Later on, we'll give you a tour of the room. But for now, hindi pa allowed kasi yung early check-in. Allowed naman pero may bayad per hour, 200 per hour. So we decided to just dine muna dito sa restaurant na lang.
Yun.
And we'll
Nakita
share...
natin yung
Yes, please.
view. Lang naman.
Yeah, dahil lake view siya, yun talaga yung harap ng resort because this is across the ocean. Ito yung side sa kabila. Lake view siya and it's so stunning. Maraming activities dito na pwedeng gawin. We will try to explore kung makakapag-water activities kami. May swimming pool din dito. So, sobrang dami namang pwedeng gawin. And we'll try to share with you kung ano yung mga gagawin namin. And we'll give you a room tour, of course.
Since we're back.
So, habang inaantay namin yung pagkain namin sa restaurant, ikutin muna namin yung resort. It's around 11 a.m. pa lang. Kaya hindi pa kami nag-check-in. So far, maganda yung view. No?
Yeah.
Ganun. Pero according sa...
Pwede ka magbangka.
Oo, may boating, may kayak din ata. Pero according sa reception, hindi swimmable yung lake. So, may swimming pool naman. Kaya, tingnan natin. Ang swimming pool, ito maganda. Malapit lang yung pool sa mga cabin. May family cabin, may couple cabin. Siyempre, kinuha namin yung couple cabin. Yung family cabin, di ko lang alam kung magkano. Yung couple cabin, 2,000 pesos per night. Pang kiddie pool to. So, I guess meron pang isa. Ayun o, may mga kayak lang. And, probably ito ang adult pool. Ilang feet kaya to?
Lang
We'll
nakalagay.
find out. May meron ka bang pang swimming?
Wala.
Weh.
Wala nga.
Palakpakan naman po natin. Demi is ready for anything. Pero hindi magpapatalo si Demi.
Will you marry me?
Congratulations to our newly engaged couple, Jason and Arlene! Palakpakan naman po natin. And I think we also have to honor and acknowledge our couple, Demi and Juliet. Can you please join them for allowing this momentous occasion to happen on your wedding day? Once again, this has been your host. My name is Mara, inviting all of you to please stand. Come on, everybody. And congratulations to Demi and Julie and John.
Hello there! So, it's Friday night here at Dawal Beach Lakeview Resort. And meron silang acoustic doon na kumakanta. Open pa din yung restaurant. It's already 6 minutes before 11. Pero bukas pa din, no, yung resto. Hindi na kami umorder kasi dami namin pagkain. And we're just roaming around to check what to do at night. Ganda dito pag gabi. Dami ilaw kasi. No? Yun ang contribution
Wala
niya.
akong mic eh. Okay na yun.
Tinignan lang namin ano meron. Pakita mo si ano. Ay, actually wala nang ganong tao pala. Sige, akit tayo dun. Pakita mo naman, saan tayo pupunta? Yun, actually maganda dito pag gabi kung maraming tao. Kung yun ang gusto mong vibe.
Sabi nila isang buwan pa lang sila dito. Nagbubukas.
Yeah, nung March lang sila
Eh, siguro pag nagkaroon ng pangalan or nakilala yung lugar.
Wala lang, lumabas lang kami para makita namin kung ano yung itsura sa gabi. Ang ganda sa gabi actually. Ang ganda ng vibe.
Tayo ng mga bahay-bahay.
Yeah, ng mga cabin. Instagrammable, actually. At sobrang luwag ng space. Sobrang laki ng space. Yung swimming pool, di ko alam kung bukas pa. Hello everybody! So finally, today we're checking out here at Dao Lakeview Resort. But before that, we're gonna give you a quick room tour of this couple cabin we booked. So this is good for 2, max of 3 persons. Pwede mo mag-add ng bed dahil nakita namin yung kabilang cabin, nag-add sila ng bed kahapon. Anyway, this is just good for 2 to 3 nga, kaya maliit lang. So sa labas, ito yung mga kaharap mo. Yan. Kasama lahat ng couple cabin dito sa Dao Lakeview Resort. And then outside, you have your own table and chairs. And then pagpasok mo, this is it. Okay. When we checked in around 2 p.m., medyo mainit talaga at matagal lumamig yung room. But I guess, ganun talaga kasi sa lahat ng TP na pagstayan namin, ganun talaga yung major issue. Mainit lagi sa taas kapag yung TP style na room.
A-frame na
A-frame na
bahay.
A-frame na bahay. Ayan. Okay, but lumamig naman siya nung gabi na. And then, meron din silang kasamang TV. This is smart TV. Nakapag Netflix and YouTube kami, mabilis naman yung connection. 1 bed, queen size bed, 2 towels, kasama may guest kit din. And that's it. That's the room. Yan. Of course, may sariling CR. Okay din yung CR. And very new yung mga facilities nila dito. Sobrang bago pa kasi nga kaka-open lang nila. May hot and cold shower. May sink. And there you go. Yeah. So, that's it. Overall, we had a good stay. Did you have a good sleep?
Sa tanghali lang, sobrang init talaga. Eh, nasa Pilipinas naman tayo, kaya okay lang.
Yeah, and I think ang idea kasi is, syempre, magsiswimming ka, magbo-boat activities, lake activities sa umaga, so...
Yeah, tsaka yung beach walkable, yung beach papunta sa kabilang daan.
Yes. Yeah, pwede ka pumunta actually across kung gusto mo ng beach.
Oo, may double din dun.
Yes, may Dao Beach Resort din. Doon kami nag-event kahapon. So, that's our room for now. We're gonna have a quick brunch before we leave the resort.
Yeah.
That's it. Bye!
Bye, guys.
We're checking out. So, ito yung mga couple cabins. By the way, malayo ang couple cabins sa pool area. So, if you want to be closer sa pool area, you have to go and get the family cabin, which is 7,000 per night. I'm not sure lang kung ilang tao yun. Pero, yeah. But, the walk is so nice. Kasi, sobrang ganda ng ay, ng venue, ng lugar. Yan, meron pa silang bakanteng space right over there. Not sure kung anong purpose niyan, pero pwedeng mag-event dito. Pwedeng mag-wedding, no?
Ang dami pang dinidevelop.
Actually, dami pang construction. Under construction.
Picture ka dito sa Matian. May bang.
Oo nga eh. Ito. Ayan o. Look at that. Ito yung family cabins.
Tara, iset up natin yung camera.
Ah, sige. Wait lang, sabihin muna natin kung saan tayo kakain. Tapos habang nag-aantay, tsaka tayo mag-picture. Parang nakababa na yung gamit. Okay na lang siya. Ayun, madaming couple, ay madaming family cabin. Tapos kapag kumuha ka ng family cabin, nakaharap ka doon mismo sa lake. Yan yung view mo. So, ganda, diba? Saan tayo kakain? Hindi mo mahirap pag sa taas. Kasi pwede kang kumain dun sa may taas. Para maganda yung view. Alright, so we're gonna have breakfast. This is our food. We got Hungarian, Filipino Hungarian. This is around 300
Each.
330 pesos. Kahapon yung pagkain namin. Oo. Kahapon yung pagkain namin. Sobrang sulit. Kasi ang dami. Umabot siya hanggang dinner. Here. Okay, we're gonna have breakfast muna.